If you're thinking about switching music distributors, but you're scared you're going to lose streams, playlists, or even followers, don't worry. I got you covered because I already made this mistake years ago when I was moving my album from CD Baby to TuneCore, and I did it the wrong way, and I lost streams, I lost playlists, but most importantly, I was making like $300 to $500 a month from that EP. It was a 5-song EP, and I did it the wrong way. Just because I wanted to save some money, and all of a sudden those streams were gone. And the reason I was moving it was because CD Baby charges like 10% commission, where TuneCore wasn't charging any commission, just a monthly or a yearly fee of like $10-15, where 10% of like $5,000, that's like $500 just gone. And so I'm going to walk you through step by step what you want to do before you just go moving your songs. So step number 1 is understanding why you can lose streams if you don't do it the right way. Well, that's because you might upload the same song, the same WAV file, the same artwork, but you don't transfer the ISRC code. If you watched my other video about what is an ISRC code, it's that international standard recording code that every song gets so that Spotify can track the stream. Same with Apple Music, royalties, etc. Because when you upload a new song, whether you use TuneCore, DistroKid, CD Baby, doesn't matter, they assign you a new ISRC code, right? Because it's all about that metadata. But when you go to upload the song, there's a little option that says already have an ISRC code, and that's where you would go to your old distributor and you would copy that code and then you would paste it in when you're uploading the new one. And this is what's really important, is that you want to upload the new song or the whole album or EP or whatever you're moving over. You want to upload all of that first to the new distributor. You want to make sure it's live, okay, that they've got it. It's all checked out. You want to double check to make sure you've got all the right ISRC codes, same artwork, same WAV files. The most important thing is the ISRC code. If the WAV file is a little different, you might be okay, but you got to be careful because anything that's just a little bit too different might cause it as a new release. You want to keep everything the same. So step 1, write down all your ISRC codes, get them all ready from your old distributor. Step number 2, upload all the songs to the new distributor using the exact ISRC codes, same audio files, titles, artwork, okay? Wait until the new distributor has it. Double check to make sure everything is right. It looks good in the Spotify artist profile. Then go to your distributor, your old distributor, and ask them to take it down. Okay? Because this is what I didn't understand, is that when I uploaded my EP to the new distributor, I thought I was just moving it, they'd find it all. But what's frustrating more than just losing the stream numbers, I lost all the playlists. Like I could have one song where I'm getting hundreds of streams, thousands of streams from all these playlists, and because I didn't have that ISRC code, not only did I lose my stream count, but more importantly, I lost the monthly streams, so I really killed that revenue. So let's just pretend that I'm uploading a song to DistroKid and I want to move it from TuneCore. Well, I would first grab the ISRC code, and then I would come here to upload music, and I want to upload just one song. Let's just say I move one song, and I encourage you, do one song at a time, one EP at a time. Make sure you do it right the first time, okay? Then I'd scroll down here. I'd put me as the artist name, and then I'd scroll down to the bottom here. I'd select my release date, which would probably be right away. If I'm moving something, I'd probably want it like, I don't know, have it go live tomorrow for all I care, right? Because I'm just moving it. But then you want to check out this. Look, no pre-order. You put all the genres in, your album artwork, the name of the song like I talked about. This is where it's really important. You put the WAV file. Look, already have an ISRC code. So this is where you would paste that code in there. And there's another option that says, where is it? If this song has already been released. Here it is right at the very top here. Has this single been previously released? Yes. And then you want to put the original release date it came out. And if you can't remember the release date that it came out, just go find your song. Like say if I was doing this for my song, well, any of my songs here, let's go this song Down to Business. If I look here, I can see it came out August 9th, 2024. So if that was the song I was doing, just change this to the date and make sure that that's good to go. But the most important part is the ISRC code, same album artwork, title, and WAV file right here.